welcome back to my YouTube channel. So if you're new here, my name is Jackie and karibu to this channel. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you for always coming back to watch my videos. My premier gang, you guys you are the best for always tuning in, watching my videos every time I post them. Thank you. So in today's video, I'm basically going to be showing you what I got from the market. So I think I've been mentioning in past couple of videos that I've not gone to the market, so I did go and I bought a few things. So I just want to show you what I got, and also passed by KMC, got some meat as well, and yeah, basically that's it. So I want to do that quick haul and then also I want to clean my fridge. It is not looking nice, it's not looking good, so I want to do that and then organize just a little bit. So yeah, anyway, let's get straight into the video. And you guys, things are just so expensive. It's not even like the supermarkets alone nowadays, like even the market. But I feel like it's because it was a little bit too hot a couple of months ago, so nothing was growing, there was no rain. But I'm really hoping since now it's raining, things are going to be slightly affordable. So yeah, anyway, let's get straight into the video. So guys, the first thing I got onions, of course. I'm not sure how much, I'm not sure how long this is gonna take us, but it's just the three of us. And I bought, how much for this? These are like 160 bob worth of onions. And I don't know you guys, so yesterday I went to a different market. I usually go to Marikiti, and I feel like Marikiti is really cheaper, like it's cheap. Anyway, so they were selling 3 like this for 20 bob. Yeah, so that's that. So I got some onions and then I got some grapes. So yeah, and then I got some minji. Which are currently gold, you guys. Please, if you are selling or if you grow minji, please just hit me up, because this is not funny. So this tiny bag was 300 bob. And remember, my previous grocery haul videos, I usually get a bunch, like a lot, like twice this for 400 bob, you guys. 300 shillings. Yeah, so yeah. And then I got maize as well. So I want to even cook this for breakfast. Yeah. And yeah, so I got maize 3 for 100 bob. Still too expensive, because I feel like we've previously been buying mahindi at 25 bob or at 20 bob. So now things are just not nice. Anyway, and then I got some green peppers. I hope you can see. I got some green peppers in here. They are 5. One was 10 bob, 10 shillings. And then I got some lemons. I hope you can see them. These were 20 bob. So 4 lemons for 20 shillings. 20 Kenya shillings. I've just realized I have some people who watch me from other countries. So if I say 20 bob, just know it's 20 Kenya shillings. Yeah. Anyway, I also got, so guys, the mango season is over. Oh no. Anyway, I got some mangoes as well. I got these tiny mangoes, which are so yummy. Yeah, so if you put salt and chili inside, they're so yummy, you guys. I had picked 10, and as you can see, 2 less. So we already ate 2 yesterday night. So mangoes, and then I got some carrots as well. So guys, I just feel like I wish I just went to Marikiti, but what do I say? The proximity to Marikiti and to where I went, guys, Marikiti is all the way to town, and right now I don't have someone to leave my baby with, so I can't just be going to town randomly. Anyway, so got some carrots. These are a kg, 400 shillings. I feel like I would have bought a lot more from Marikiti, but it's okay. And inside here we have some garlic and ginger. So was going for 20 bob. Marikiti, I'm sure I would have gotten like one at 15 shillings. Garlic ginger. Yeah. Guys, I'm just noticing that lady. What do I say? The lady, actually, because this is a scam. One ginger was like 20, was it 20 shillings? 20. Do you see how big this is? And then see this other one, though it's tiny. I wish I just picked them myself, but what's done is done. And then I got some tomatoes. I bought, how much was this? Like 240 bob worth of tomatoes. And this time I think I just took the almost ripe ones, because I've noticed like tomatoes nowadays are so stubborn. It's either you blend them or you cook them forever. Like they're not cooking, you guys. So I just took the ripe ones. So yeah. And then the other thing I got was a bunch of dania. So I bought them yesterday, and then I got home quite late, so I had to put them in a glass. I've put like water and then put the stems inside the water. So as you can see, they are still fresh. So all these danias are 30 shillings. They are a lot. This one was not so bad. They were selling 3 at 10 bob, but Marikiti, I usually get them at 4 at 10 bob. At 10 shillings. Right? 10 at, no, what am I saying? 4 at 10 shillings. So you see, I'm still like -1 dania. Anyway, yeah. So I got this. Then the other thing I got are potatoes. They are somewhere down there. I'm gonna be showing you once I put them on my potato rack or something. Yeah, so that's it. And then I said I also got to go to KFC. So let me show you what I got. So guys, I was saying I went to KFC and I bought some meat as well. And guys, if you can, please just find out if your area has a Kenya Meat Commission branch, because the meat is honestly very affordable compared to supermarkets. Trust you me. I think I've even decided like I'm not gonna buy meat from the supermarket anymore, and the meat is always fresh. And like, what do I say, like the places where they sell the meat is usually like so clean, you guys, like super clean, so clean. So now I'm not sure which is which, because I bought one is a goat meat kind of thing. Guys, this is beef. I think this is beef. They were selling a kilo at 470 shillings. 470. And I've been buying it around for like 560. What? Anyway, and then this is what is it called? Goat. They were calling it the goat cutlets or something. This was going for 560. So what I've noticed, I don't eat red meat. I'm sure most of you guys know, but I've realized the goat meat is more expensive. The beef one is less expensive. I don't know why. So yeah, so I got these two, and all these guys are for like one person. Okay, 1.5 person, because my baby and my hubby. So yeah, I think this will go a whole month, because I also have minced meat. So yeah, so that is all I got. So I just want to clean everything, and then while everything is just nice, clean and drying, then I can move into the fridge, get everything out, and then we clean the fridge and then organize. So yeah.
I'ma leave without giving a warning. I'ma leave without giving a. But every time we say goodbye, we all know that it's a lie. Now I'm all alone, 'cause you never show. You say you will, but then you don't. That's how it goes. Don't wanna know. I'm turning off my mind so I get by. I just wanna be happy tonight.
So guys, usually I just use vinegar and water to wipe my fridge, but this time, guys, I'm sure you can see like it was really dirty. So I just opted to first scrub it with some water and some dishwashing soap, and then go ahead and wipe it with now vinegar plus lemon and just warm water. So yeah.
Anyone else before? Fell in love with my broken pieces. Took 'em all and made 'em yours. Didn't know what my heartbeat needed. Skipping out, no, I can't keep score. When I lose my breath, boy, you got me breathing. Oh, every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher, higher. Every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher, higher. Oh. Magic. No, I'm never letting go. Now that I have it with you. When you kiss me, it's like the stars fall out the sky onto my heart to cover up what I don't wanna show. I let you in deeper than I let anyone else before. Fell in love with my broken pieces. Took 'em all and made 'em yours. Didn't know what my heartbeat needed. Skipping out, no, I can't keep score. When I lose my breath, boy, you got me breathing. Oh, every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher, higher. Every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher, higher. Oh, you take me higher, you take me higher, baby, you take me higher, you take me higher, baby, you take me higher, you take me higher, baby, you take me higher, yeah, you take me higher, baby. Time for a love potion, a little sweet and spice. Throw it all in a cauldron, mix it up real nice. Fire in my eyes, stir counterclockwise. I dream of you all night. Feel with emotion, follow the signs. With this love potion, you will be all mine. I'm pulling you closer to me. You're finding it harder to breathe. The magic is taking over your mind entirely. I'm the only one that you see. I got what you want, what you need. Before you know it, you are falling deep in love with me. Little sweet spice. Made a love potion for you. Little sweet spice. Made a love potion for you. This is the moment, no turning back. One drop on your lips and the spell will take effect. Under the moonlight, stay close to my side. We're burning so bright. Oh, oh, oh. Feel the emotion, follow the signs. With this love potion, you will be all mine. I'm pulling you closer to me.
So guys, we have come to the end of this video, and I hope you got a little motivation to clean and organize your fridge. Make sure to give it a thumbs up. Make sure to leave a sweet comment down below, and I will see you on my next one. Bye.